Principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Thank you all for giving me an opportunity to speak on this occasion. We are celebrating 74th Republic Day and I wish you all Happy Republic Day. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. India became secular democratic country. On this day, the Supreme Law of India and the Constitution of India came into force. It gives us fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education, religion and more. We should always respect our Constitution. Since childhood, 26th January has been a memorable day for all of us. Many of us may recall this day as a festival and occasion. But laws are needed to run the country because the government cannot run without law. So, many people under the leadership of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the patriot of this country, declared this country democratic. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had a lion's share in framing the Constitution of India. Our Constitution was drafted very carefully, taking in view of all the different people in India. Republic Day teaches us to live in unity, love and peace. And today we live in a democratic country. So let's take a pledge today that we will make our country the best country in the world. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. East or West, India is the best. Thank you, Jai Hind.